In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an automated Google Drive folder with Apps Script. We're going to set up a folder in Google Drive that maintains itself on a schedule using a small script and a time-based trigger. This is perfect for tasks like moving, renaming, or copying files without you needing to lift a finger. Start by creating the folder that will act as your automated workspace. In Google Drive, click the New button, choose Folder, give it a clear name, and click Create. A descriptive name helps you remember what the automation is meant to do later on. Next, open Google Apps Script by going to script.google.com. This is where we'll write the logic that tells Drive what to do. Once you're there, click New Project. You'll see a blank editor where you can write or paste your script. Write or paste a script that performs tasks on files in your folder. For example, you might loop through files to rename them with a date, move them based on keywords, or copy them to an archive. Make sure your code targets the correct folder, often by using its ID so it's precise. If you're pasting a script someone shared, skim it to understand what it changes and confirm it references your intended folder. When your code is ready, save the script and give the project a meaningful name. Clear naming will help you find and manage it later, especially if you create more automations. Now let's make it run automatically. Click the triggers icon, which looks like a small clock on the left menu. Click Add Trigger. Choose which function to run, typically your main function. Set the deployment to head, which means the current version of your script. For event source, choose time-driven, so it runs on a schedule. You can choose the cadence that fits your workflow, like every hour, once a day, or weekly, depending on how often you want the folder maintained. Then click Save. From now on, your Google Drive folder will automatically perform the task defined in your script. On the first run, you may be prompted to review and authorize permissions. Just follow the prompts so the script can access your drive. It's a good idea to run the function once manually to confirm everything behaves as expected, and check the logs in the editor if you need to troubleshoot. And that's it. Your automated folder is live and working for you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.